Before leaving Calgary, I wanted to make sure to share as much as I can with y'all. So in this video, I'm going to show you as much as I can about the Devonian Gardens in Calgary, Canada. Wow, ain't that a highlight? And here is one of my favorite plants. Interesting, isn't it? This part is recorded using a GoPro Hero 9, using a macro lens. As y'all can see, it definitely makes the center pop out. And now we're slowly making our way to the airport.